Calm Rehab is a rehabilitation facility in Bali. We deliver clinically responsible treatment for addiction, alcoholism. We treat substance use disorder as well as trauma. The point of coming overseas, coming to Bali, coming to Calm Rehab for treatment is to get away from the environment that is driving the addiction.
So Calm is a safe place for you to come, re-find yourself, learn the skills and the tools to be able to know how you can live your life again.
It's a 5-star environment, but we try to keep it as affordable as possible. We're located in Umalas, set over 5,000 square meters of land. We're on a riverside estate, which means that we're close to the kind of things that the clients can enjoy doing in their downtime. We have 2 swimming pools, we have a gym on site, large gardens, common areas, lounges. All of the bedrooms are luxury. They're all oversized, king-size beds, private ensuite bathrooms. To come into an environment like this has tremendous therapeutic benefits. We believe that we've developed the most effective rehabilitation program possible. Our team is why it works so well. That's why it's so effective. We work with professionals from around the world. We work with specialists that are highly qualified in their fields. We have a lot of success in identifying the underlying factors. It's looking into why the clients are picking up the drink, picking up the drugs, and working with them.
Very simply, it means putting the client and what they need at the center, so you have the right level of care and expertise delivered. So here at Calm, we offer individual counseling with a qualified clinical practitioner. We offer 2 different types of group psychotherapy, process groups and focus groups. We look after the physical side of rehabilitation, so diet, exercise, sleep. The client learns something about themselves every single day. A big part of what we offer here is mindfulness-based practices, which are a proven treatment modality for the management of craving, but also enhances lifestyle across the board.
It grounds people, it gives them a bit of peace from the mind, and it's all about self-care, it's all about looking after yourself.
Here we try to teach clients a new way to live, as opposed to on the hamster wheel of drug and alcohol addiction, day in, day out.
When you're kind of in that mind frame, you feel that there's no way out. There's nothing more, this is it.
If you're in that space, I'm here to tell you that that is just not the case. Help is available. Pick up the phone and talk to us.
It's not all doom and gloom. If you're in a place where you're just lost or depressed, just full of fear, you would just feel safe. It's a beautiful surroundings, and there's some sort of, I don't know what it is, there's like an atmosphere of just peace and tranquility, and it's just like, you know, like you would just be like, it's all over.
I mean, like, I've seen real life proof that it works. Like, I think there is a magic in it, but it's just works.
You know, it really puts it into perspective for somebody. They come in and they get an understanding of what's going on for them and how to change it. For example, on the outside world, you know, you try and quit yourself. There's many outside influences in the way of that. In here, it's controlled. It's almost like 3 or 4 months of trying out there is like, you know, 1 or 2 days in here.
There's a lot of clinical program going on, there's a lot of one-on-ones, but there's also that nice balance of fun, downtime, and they get to go out. They get to see the beautiful island of Bali.
And then you start seeing things and start laughing again. You start hearing music and you start seeing like the trees and become awake. And it's a good place to wake up.
Clients come in typically for 30, 60 or 90 days. A detox, if required, usually lasts a week. And then they will experience increasing independence as the program rolls out.
When you get to see somebody go through that process from start to finish, you know, and they walk out the door smiling, beaming, you know, with absolute, you know, do you know what? Life is great. You know, I've absolutely got a meaning in my life again. That is priceless.
The look in their face is just like the weight of the world's been lifted off their shoulders, and the relief is unbelievable.
People leaving with smiles on their face, the families coming back into their lives. You know, it's a great joy to see.
It's a ringside seat to the greatest miracle there is.
When we see a client that leaves us after completing the program, they walk out a different person.
This is what we offer here. Every tool, every skill, everything, right? We can assist, we can help with. There's only one thing that we cannot do, and that is to pick up the phone and to call. That's the one thing that you have to give us.